Meaning of guest.
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 Guest. The word guest refers to an individual who is not a permanent resident at a particular location or event, but rather is present only for a limited period of time. Guests are often invited by a host or organization to attend an occasion such as a party, wedding, or conference. They may also stay overnight at someone's home as a houseguest. The term guest can also be used in relation to hospitality and customer service industries, referring to individuals who are provided with accommodation, food, or other services at a hotel, restaurant, or similar establishment.